Hello guys, hope you're having a nice day. Guys, I want to show you how to create a power clip on Canva in just 2 minutes. So guys, let us create our document. Okay, so let me use let me use custom size, then choose what we want. Let me use 01080, then 1080 pixel. So create the new design. After we've created the new design, then thing is loading. Okay, mm, tick tick tock. No, I don't need you for now. Okay, so what we are going to do now is just to go to the elements. Once you tap the elements, we come to frame. So this frame now is what we are going to be using. Anything you see that have this kind of default picture, this is this is the shapes whereby you can power clip or create a clipping mask for your images. So let me just choose this one. So I've choose this one, then we can just bring an image from our gallery. Let me use this. So once I've added that to the page, I can just power clip it into this. So that's all. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Bye bye.